This is my 2000 Road King, and we're going to convert my stock headlights into the upgraded LED ring lights. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Jimbo Part 4. And first off, I want to thank you for everybody who is watching this video right now, and all of the subscribers that's already joined. And keep on hitting those likes and share buttons, and I'd really appreciate it. So you got a Road King, and you're wanting to do some pretty cool upgrades with this thing. One of the things I want to do with mine, I want to upgrade my headlights on mine. I've already done all the cosmetical stuff. Like we already done the grips, we already done the clutch levers, even the foot clutch. But now, let's do the final stage right over here. And I want to show you how you can actually convert your stock headlights into these really beautiful ring LED headlights. Now, we got these all from eBay right here. They're about $62, I think, correctly. Maybe a little bit more. So we're just gonna say safely $70 over the whole thing. So here is the actual headlight to it, as you can see. But the thing is, they don't make these for the back of it. And another little trick we're going to have to show you right over here. Okay, so one of the things that we had to do is definitely convert these ring headlights over to the male and female sides right here, because the problem is they come in, it looks like a conversion like these. Now I'm not sure what other bikes they fit on or anything like that, but they definitely said it worked for my bike. I've already placed it up there to make sure it would actually fit perfectly right inside inside the housing and everything else. It worked really flawlessly so far. So I went ahead and off camera just went ahead and got the at least the female side done right now. Now what we're going to do is, one of the things what I'm going to show you right now is right over here on my Road King right now. It's already got female ends already right onto it. Now what we're going to have to do is cut these down a little bit. Now there's a black wire and a gray with a black stripe in it. Your black is definitely your ground, and that's your positive over here. So as long as you know over here which one these are, and usually the thicker wire is going to be your hot wire, so you just got to remember you're hot with your hot and ground to ground, and it should be perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and let's see if we can get this wired up. Okay, so now we got it all wired up, but during the process, it kept blowing out fuses. So what we're going to have to do is, there's actually a fuse panel right behind this, and it's pretty simple. All you got to do is just pull it off, and there it is. And all you got to do is pull it straight out, and you can just pull it out, and that's where all your fuses are right there. And so the amp fuses that was already on here, I want to get you a little closer. So as you can see, that was supposed to be for the light right there. It was a 15, but a 15 kept blowing it out really quickly. Okay, so I want to show you real quick. Now we already got it all wired in there. Switch is now flipped on right here. And so as you can see, we actually have our LED lights now, for the fog lights now. So I've already took the privilege of taking the housing cover off. Looks like we got one bolt right here. Looks like the housing will come off on this whole thing right here. So let's go ahead and do that. see right here on my iron and on the road king, got the LED style headlights. Now I'm not 100% sure if they both came from the same company, but I'm going to leave that link down below. Also, I got some other weird projects coming up very soon, but I want your thought right down there on the comments. We should change out some of these marker lights. I've been thinking about it. Something like one of the darker lens ones. Not really 100% sure. Kind of give it that LED style, since I'm already going with the whole LED with everything on it. Should we just keep on going and make everything all LED, or what are your thoughts on that one? Go ahead and leave that link down below. Also, check out my Facebook and my Instagram. Videos that's getting ready to come out and everything else. Also, hit that subscribe button if you're brand new. Really appreciate everybody who has subscribed to me. We're at 50. I'd like to, by Christmas time, be at 100. Hey, I know I'm a small channel, but help me grow, and we'll see where this really goes, okay? Just go ahead, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Really would appreciate it. Other than that, y'all just get out there and you ride safe or drive safe. And I will see you the next time.